letter this week is the letter R. I'm going to show you how to make R on the lines correctly. So this is the ceiling, the basement, the dotted line. When you make a capital R, you start at the ceiling, you go down, ribbit, you go back up to the top, you pretend like you're making the letter P. So you're gonna make a lump like this. See how that looks like a P right now? Don't pick up your pencil. And then you just come out like a slide. That's it. That's how you make R. And so you make a straight line down, ribbit, go back to the top, pretend like you're gonna make the letter P. But then once you get here, you just come out like it's a slide, like you were going down a slide. And now we have the letter R. R says Okay. Lowercase r. Underneath the dotted line, it's a short little letter. So you start right here, you go down. Once you get to the bottom, do not pick up your pencil. You're gonna boing right back up, and you're gonna make a little rainbow and then stop. It's almost like you're about to make an N, except you stop up here instead of way down here. So it looks like a little rainbow in the sky. So you start at the dotted line, you go down, right back up, boing, make a little rainbow, done. This is capital R, lowercase r, and R says like Robbie, rabbit, R says Now our word this week is the word like. I like the word like because you can make so many sentences with like. So we can say, I, capital at the beginning of a sentence, and this is one of our sight words we've already had. Notice how when I start writing a sentence, I start all the way on the left side because I need all this room to write, okay? And then I'm gonna make a space, like, don't forget your space, like is L. L is a tall little letter, it's just straight line though, it looks like a number 1. I is short line, but then you jump up here and you make a dot that floats. K is a really hard letter to make. So it is a straight line just like the L. And then you frog hop and you move over a little bit, only to the dotted line though. Don't go up here because otherwise that's capital K. We don't want capital K in the middle of a word. So right on the dotted line and then go into the middle of that part and then out like a slide. And then E. E is hit the ball out, go up and around the bases. I like, space, my. Do my. That was an old sight word too. M, Y. These are lowercase letters because you're in the middle of writing a sentence. The only capital is at the beginning of the sentence. I like my, you could say anything. I like my, make a space, dog, cat, toys, mom, dad, whatever you want to say. I like my, let's try to think of something that starts with an R. Robot. Okay, let's just sound it out. Make a space. O, B. Rob, t. Robot. I like my robot. Put a period at the end of your sentence. All right, let's do another like sentence. I, make a space, like make a space, the, this time instead of my, the T-H-E, remember is the. I like the, space, movie. Okay. Ooh, v, E. Now I know it just sounds like it's an E. I'm gonna just tell you it's got an I and then an E, movie. But if you don't put the I there, that's okay. It's fine. Period. You do not have to spell everything correctly. The only words that you need to spell correctly are the ones that we have learned as our sight word. That's it. Let's read the 2 sentences that we have. I like my robot. I like the movie. Okay, excellent.